If you have hair that tends to stick straight out like this, then you probably have faced some challenges throughout your life when getting haircuts. And I know that a lot of you may think, oh, my hair just sticks out, I can't do anything with it. Well, I'm gonna share with you some really exciting things that can help turn that around for you. So, if you have a hair texture that tends to stick straight out when you cut it, notice how this haircut in through here, if you look at this haircut, the majority of the haircut looks and is styled as if it's spiked up. So what you need to start doing is actually incorporate the areas that stick out on your head into the style. So if your hair sticks like this out in the corners, what you need to do is actually style it so that you can lift. And the best way to do that is when your hair is wet. After you wash your hair, after you lightly towel dry it, maybe put 25 spray or tidal wave in your hair, then you can start to blow dry it. And as you're blow drying, what you want to do is try to kind of work the hair in the direction of how it grows. So a lot of times if the hair grows, straight forward this way and you're constantly trying to push it back, the hair is going to want to resist and go forward like this and stick up. So what you need to do is work that product and work the blow dryer with your hands in the direction of how your hair is growing, which is going to help you not have the problem of it sticking straight out in a way that you don't like. As you blow dry this, the power of your hand, I know it sounds crazy, but yes, if you use your hand as a styling tool and the nozzle on the blow dryer, it's going to really help you achieve that type of look. So as you're working it in, you can start to then lift and incorporate that into the style. And what's going to happen is this will actually start to lay down a bit flatter and closer to the head. And you can see how it kind of incorporates itself into the style. So as we get a little bit closer here, just take a good look. So all of this now, instead of sticking straight out, you could see it's a bit closer to the head as opposed to it being like this. And you see how it just pokes straight out from the head. So what you need to do is start to utilize your hands as a tool. Also with the top, if you have a haircut or a hair texture that, oh, my hair is always sticking straight up in the back like this, right? It's always sticking up. Well, you can actually have the person cutting your hair say, look, I know my hair sticks up in the back. I've got a cowlick. Can you please cut it so that it's incorporated? So watch this. As I start to lift all of this up, now it becomes part of the style. So you've got like some cool texture going on. And now it's not, instead of it like, oh, I've got hair that sticks straight up, all of this is now sticking up and it looks like a really cool hairstyle. So you can just incorporate all of these, pieces that end up sticking out from your head into the shape. And you could utilize a number of my products. My new Beach House, it's a sea salt hair powder, the first of its kind. My Extreme Hold Matte Paste from Crafted. I mean, I have a huge range of products you can use, including the blow dryer, to help you achieve these looks. Also, another thing is when the person is cutting your hair, make sure that they are adding texture. And a lot of times this is done by, I've done this in hundreds of my videos, where you twist the hair like so, and you kind of do light chopping into it like this. Or you twist it and use a thinning shear and take a chomp out like this. Adding that texture, it's going to actually soften the ends and make the ends a bit more wispy so that it's not going to stick straight out and look like a wall on the side of your head. It's actually going to be a little more textured and easier to manipulate and style. It's all about being able to feel comfortable working your hands through the hair and incorporating this style. So don't be, afraid or ashamed like, oh, my hair just sticks straight up. Use that to your advantage to create really cool modern types of styles. And believe it or not, you actually have an advantage sometimes by having that, because if you don't have hair that sticks up and it's very, very fine and flat, you don't have those types of options to get that volume in your hair. So if you want to utilize any of my hair cutting tools, my products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. And you can also check out my ebooks, my PDF downloadable ebooks, one's for men's hair, one's for women's hair, to understand haircut shapes so that you can go into your hair professional and understand what a round shape is, a square shape, triangular, and your best face shape for that haircut shape. So, and it's only $10 for each ebook, like insanely affordable. So you can purchase those right here. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Do you have this hair type? Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.